Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video, I am located at this campground. It's called a Deep Lake and it's located in the Yankee Spring recreational area, very close to Hastings, between actually Kalamazoo in Grand Rapids. And the reason why I decided to come and try this campground is, number one, because I've never been here before, and the second reason is because I heard that they have a really good bike trails here, or hiking trails, which I want to try on my bike that I have back there. And I thought I'd go over with you and some of the equipment I normally use for my camping trips, and maybe some of you will find it interested or entertain it. I hope that's the case. I have here lay out the equipment that I normally bring on my camping trips. This one's right here is a fleecy blanket. I have a backpack chair that fit in my backpack's really nice. Here is how this chair works. Get it out of the pouch. This is what you get. The frame. And then you put and that's the chair. I have a very inexpensive sleeping pad. I have a small sleeping bag. This one is for the 48 degrees, so it's not very warm. Right now we're in the middle of summer, so I thought this little thing will work fine. It is very compact and it doesn't weigh that much, so I like to bring that with me in all my camping trips. This one here is my hammock. I already spot 2 trees over there where I can set up my hammock and take breaks, hammock breaks during this camping trip. And I have here my cooking utensils that I also like to bring in every camping trip. This is my stove. It's a really compact stove too, where I can boil water and rehydrate some noodles for a camping meal or make coffee in the morning. It just attached to the tank, gas tank here, and I ignite by pressing this button. It's really nice. I have here my other cooking bowl. This is for boiling water. I have some mixing bowls and cleaning supplies in there. And I have here a pan that I could use for frying or cooking some other stuff. I have a wooden spatula. In here I have some silverware that I already used in other trips before. Some others I haven't. I have a spoons, knife, and forks. This one's just fold and you get your spoon. This campsite has a fire pit, has a picnic table. I have my tent already set up here, my bike back there, ready to go and try those trails. And all I have to do right now is just set up my hammock, start the fire, and in the next video we go and explore the trails here on my bike. So remember to tune in and check the ride with me. So until I'll talk to you again, please stay well. Bye.